Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello, 周先生. Okay, OSK up at con, right? FGV. Okay, no problem. Review vs LHI from Andy Fong. Okay, hello, Nick. Okay, Brusa on heavy period today. Rate everywhere. Yes, our market is still very weak lah. Okay, so yeah, also need your help lah to share around. Okay, share this live session. Okay, at least we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, at least they are aware of the market sentiment. Okay, so yep. Today content, let's warm up with the market outlook. Okay, let's see how is the global market sentiment going and how is the oil, gold, cryptocurrency and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Hello Jordan, how are you? Okay, so yeah, need your likes and also your share button. Okay, just share around. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, despite on the market sentiment a little bit weak. Not a little bit lah, it's very weak. Okay, so disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, so let's warm up first. Let's see how is the US market going on. Okay, so far weekly. Okay, this is a weekly chart for the Dow Jones. Okay, at least we can see, okay, previous week they had a very strong sell down. Okay, consider a flat failure already lah. Okay, but last week closing for me is still alright. Okay, at least they are trying to defend 43.400. Okay, but it could be window dressing. Okay, because for monthly closing, at least they close neutral lah. Okay, this is a monthly chart. So we still don't know whether this is just for the sake of window dressing or what they want to do. Okay, so we see how it's going lah, because they recover. Okay, for me Wednesday and Thursday they not really looking at that great. Okay, but Friday they made a good comeback. Okay, so we need to see lah whether this Friday, okay, last Friday closing was just a sake of the window dressing or a fake breakdown. Okay, so tonight is quite important. We see whether they can stay above 43.8k. Okay, if they can stay above, maybe this week, okay, we can see market go up a little bit more. But if they go down below 43.8k, means Friday closing is just a fake breakout lah. Okay, fake closing lah for the window dressing. Okay, so for S&P closing still okay. Okay, as we can see, they do have a good recovery when the price near 5880 like that. Okay, or 5900 lah. Managed to close neutral. Okay, for me this is even though it's a bearish candle, but I can say it's more neutral. Okay, slightly bearish only lah. So this week also is a crucial week, okay, to decide whether they want to bounce from the 20 weeks moving averages or continue to sell down. Okay, and how about the Nasdaq? Okay, Nasdaq currently at the crucial support as well, 20.7k. Okay, we need to see whether they can stay above or not. And for weekly point of view, actually the closing for me is more bearish lah compared with the S&P and the Dow Jones. Okay, so take note lah. We see how it's going. Okay, daily point of view also the same. They Friday they make a comeback. They go back above 20.7k, and at the moment they are challenging 21k. So we need to see whether this is a forced breakdown or this is just a breakdown and pullback. Okay, so market I would say a little bit weak lah, but not until bad lah. Okay, for US side, this is a US side. Okay, how about the oil price? Okay, let's see. Weekly point of view. Okay, oil remain, I would say it's more on weak and neutral. Okay, so we can see previous few weeks they pressured by the bear. Okay, last week is more on neutral notes. So I think oil price, they might go stabilize. Okay, they may go sideways, stabilize. And so long above $67, I think it's still alright lah. Okay, no longer that bearish, but yet too bullish. Okay, how about the gold price? Okay, gold price been out for so many weeks without any retracement. But last week they have a strong rejection. Okay, break below 2009 lah. Okay, for me what I concern is a 2009 level. So they finally had a more on, I would say more on profit taking lah at the moment. Okay, so 2009 2880 will turn into the resistance, and I expect they might have retracement maybe to 2008 or so on. Okay, so back to the daily point of view, we can see actually on Thursday, Friday, they already break below 2009. Okay, 2009 to 2880. So support turn resistance lah. Okay, unless they can recover above 2009, okay, market may continue to rise up. Okay, so how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin last week when we review, they was breaking down, okay, or they already broke down below 90k lah, which make the closing, which made the chart very ugly. But by end of week, they managed to close high, okay, close above 92k. Okay, so this form a strong weekly hammer. Okay, so I will say as long as this week they stay above 90k, should be alright. Okay, market may remain I will say more on positive lah. Okay, positive note. Okay, if we back to daily chart we can see on Friday they already tested 200 MAs. Okay, with a hammer. Saturday close bullish, and Sunday yesterday I think it's a Twitter things lah. Okay, they managed to make a strong comeback, break above 90k and 92k. Seems like the bull may continue to rise up. So yeah, so long above 90k, I'm quite bullish on the Bitcoin. Okay, and for the Ethereum weekly point of view, I will say, let me close. Sorry, let me. Okay, weekly point of view, at least they are trying to defend the 200 weeks moving averages. So for me, it's still alright, not too bad and not too good. Okay, not very bullish, but not very bearish lah. Okay, and back to the daily point of view, yesterday also made a strong comeback, but they have a lot overhead resistance. Okay, example 2006, 2008 also is a resistance. Okay, they need to clear few resistance, only can change to bullishness. Okay, how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, weekly point of view, I would say not very impressive lah. Okay, last week closing. Okay, previous week was okay because they managed to close above 1590, but last week market open gap down, close low. Okay, even they have a recovery, but not really impressive. Okay, back to the daily point of view, what we can see. Okay, on Wednesday, they make a strong comeback, okay, a very strong bullish candle comeback, but they are still not able to clear above 1590. Thursday, open gap down, close low. And sorry, this is a Friday candle, okay? Friday candle, open gap down, close low. And today, what happened? Market got try to go back above 1575, but by end of day, they gonna press down. Okay, based on today's price session, I would say the bear is still in control. And the price already below 20 MA. So overall, even KLCI, the sentiment also not that great lah. Okay, so I think they might come back down to maybe 1565 or 1560. Okay, so bear is stronger than the bull, and even they can go up. Okay, if they can go up, they have a gap to fill. Okay, they have a gap to fill. Okay, which is around 1581 to 1586. Okay, because they have a gap down on Friday. So even market can go up, they also might come up to just fill the gap and might continue come down lah. Okay, so overhead, they have a lot overhead resistance for our FBM KLCI. So market is, okay, I would say bear is in control. Okay, bear is in control. Okay, but bear is in control, you also need to help to share lah. Help to click a like and also share so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, we see any opportunity lah on individual stocks. Okay, sometimes some stocks they may outperform lah. Okay, so for OSKS example, okay, pretty good. Okay, we can see these counters Thursday they had volume. They have volume breakout above 180. Okay, what happened on Friday? Open gap up, push higher, and with a higher volume. And for today, neutral. Okay, today is a bearish candle lah, right? But you can see the seller is very thin. Okay, for me, it's still okay, acceptable. Okay, so what I expect is they may come back down to fill the gap, or they may retest the support. Okay, because this was a resistance, right? You can see since last year end, they already tested so many times. Okay, not able to clear 180, but this time they break out already. So I expect they might come back to retest. Okay, if they can stabilize, stay above 180, everything is still good lah. Okay, so hopefully they don't fear us lah. Okay, if they go below 180, what happened? Okay, continue sideways lah. Okay, continue sideways just like here. Okay, so they have been sideways here, right, for a few months. Finally, they break up. Okay, if they can stay above 180, the bull may remain bullish. Okay, they may continue to rise up. But if they go below 180, what happened? Okay, maybe they will just sideways macam ini loh. Okay, so if we look back, what happened back in last year May? Okay, also similar story. Okay, also is you need more patience. Okay, last year they also have a good breakout. Okay, tapi not sustainable. Then they sideways for a couple of months. Then continue jalan. So for me, overall, it depends on your intention. If you are short-term trader, then you take note on 180. If you are long-term investor, then you take note on 200 MAs. So far, you can see overall the trend so far is supported quite well. Even last year, August, they have a deep down. They still managed to recover from the 200 MAs. So you can see the trend is still alright. Okay, so yeah, I afraid tonight don't have much watch list, so I put OSK in our watch list lah. Okay, how about the ADV CON? Okay, this is a penny counters lah. Okay, penny counters so far. From what I see lah, last year or not last year, 2023, back in 2023, they already had a pump and dump. So for this moment, I would say they are more into sideways. Okay, until they can break through 260. Okay, but something interestingly is something interesting lah. Is this year onwards, 2025 onwards. Okay, they have more trading volumes inside. Okay, just like that only. But sometimes, okay, even they have volumes, they might continue sideways for a couple of months or even 1 or 2 years also possible. Okay, but at least this is a good than bad lah. Okay, so if you have patience, okay, then okay, can KIV. But if you no patience, wait for the breakup. Okay, wait for the breakup because sometimes the sideways could be up to months or years also possible lah. Okay, at least this is on the bright side is they have more trading volumes lah. Okay, this is on the bright side only lah. But everything we also need a confirmation lah. Okay, so how about the FGV? Okay, FGV recently the volume slight improve lah, especially 26, 27, 28 and also 3rd of March. Okay, volume boleh tahan. Okay, tapi these counters take note they are still below 200 MAs and they have very hard resistance here. 120 and 122. Okay, one thing good about here on the bright side lah, on the bright side is even though you can see back in last year September they have a strong sell down. Okay, but they managed to recover and try to build a base here lah. Okay, try to build a base at 110, 109. Okay, so for me, I would say at this stage, they are more on sideways. Okay, until they can break out lah. Once they can break through 120, 122, maybe they do have chance to turn around. Okay, otherwise, they might go sideways lah. Okay, if we look into the deeper, okay, more details, okay, if we based on just moving averages, at least we can see 20, 50, and 100 MAs at here. Okay, means short-term and mid-term holders, their average price is around here. Okay, means above 110, still okay lah. Then hopefully they can clear here low 120, 122, then they will have a better movement. Okay, they do have potential to turn around provided they can clear above 122. So for this one, maybe I also can put in our watch list since I think tonight we have more limited counters maybe. Okay, at least I see the structure okay lah. Okay, for VS tentatively is no game lah. Okay, I think last week we also mentioned these counters already because already broke below 200 MAs and below all moving averages. Okay, last week also they broke below 1 ringgit. Okay, which is one of the crucial psychology level. Okay, they are no longer a dollar stocks. Okay, now it's a 95 cents counters. Okay, it's a penny stocks already lah. So let me see. Okay, overall indicator momentum all is favor to the bear lah. Okay, the bear is in control. Okay, but if you still want to give them a last hope, okay, which I think very small hope already lah. So this is last year, I think somewhere around October, they do have a support around here. 940, 950, and today closing is about 950, and overall is still bear. So maybe due to oversold, okay, maybe they have a short-term rebound lah. Okay, maybe to test a 1 ringgit level. If unable to clear 1 ringgit, they may continue to come down and or even break below 940. So take note on 940, very, very important level for them. Okay, by looking at the bigger pictures, what we can see on the high. Okay, you can see the high is getting lower. Okay, even here is the same high lah, but you can see nobody is willing to buy at the higher price. That's why the high is getting lower and lower. Okay, here also the high is getting lower. So based on here, you can see if we imagine a basketball, the ball bounce up, point, toing, toing, toing. Okay, means the strength to go up is lesser and lesser and lesser, and the chances of breaking down is quite high lah, based on what I see. Okay, if you imagine the basketball, the momentum, they are unable to go up higher, they will go down lower and lower. Okay, so if this 940 fail to hold, okay, even they can bounce up, okay, maybe no strength, okay, maybe to 1 ringgit only lah, like that. Okay, if unable to clear above 1 ringgit, okay, and come back down, most likely they might break below 940 lah. Okay, once they break below 940, the floor sudah broken already, right? So they might go to 8 something already. So for me, I still haven't seen any sign to convince me they are okay. Okay, so yeah. So if you still want to put hope, 940 is your last chance already lah. Stay above, still ada hope a little bit. Okay, so become a hope analysis already. Put hope already. Okay, how about LHI? LHI, we have good volumes on 26th of February. Okay, even though the closing not so good lah. Okay, 27, 28 still alright, not too bad. Okay, and then and today high volume as well, but seems like they are not so willing to go up further lah. Okay, this is what I think. But the overall structure for LHI, I would say still okay, acceptable. Okay, acceptable. Just that they faces some maybe we can say it's a profit taking or a rejection when the price try to move up. But the structure point of view, I would say at least they have better opportunity than maybe VS. Okay, at least you can see on the 200 MAs, just 200 MA itself, the orange line, at least since 2023, this counter is still going up. Okay, still going up. Okay, just on and off they break below 200 MAs, but at least you can see these 2 years data show us that actually they are still going up. I mean the low is getting higher and higher. Okay, at least the shape, okay, is still healthy. Okay, so for me this one I will say still okay. Okay, still okay. Just that recently macam got a little bit rejection when they go up lah. So maybe they will take some time. Okay, but still okay. Okay, overall still okay. Okay, so let's go back to HSI. Okay, for Jordan. Okay, to see the Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index, as we can see, okay, as we can see, back in October, right? Last year October. Okay, they do have a good or very strong spike up lah. Okay, before they go for holiday. Okay, after holiday they gonna wash down already. Okay, wash for many months. Okay, recently, HSI break up previous resistance. So if we based on the textbook theory, resistance turn support, right? So now this zone turn into support lah, and they have been up since beginning of this year actually. Okay, to be honest, you can see before Chinese New Year they already up. Okay, just that not so obvious lah. So up for so much already, I think time for them to go sideways or rest a while lah. So I think they are just testing. Okay, they make sure this support is get supported very well before they going up. Okay, so for HSI, so long above 22.500, I will still remain bullish. Okay, so recently it's more on the small profit taking sideways movement only. Okay, how about 9988 Alibaba? Okay, Alibaba also similar lah. Okay, if you can see the pattern is quite similar with the HSI. Okay, because they have a gap out also back in 21st of February. So I think now is more for them to go sideways. Okay, yeah, they might come back down 122 to fill the gap lah. So I think at the moment Alibaba is more on the sideways movement. Okay, so long they are above, but I will still put the same lah, 114. Okay, so long they are above 114, I'm still very bullish on them. Okay, just depending on how much they want to retrace. Okay, either push down to 122 or press down lah. Press down to 122 or press down to 114 only. Okay, but if they go below 114, sorry lah, tak cantik already. Okay, so next one. Okay, Genting Malaysia. Market cannot already. We go Genting. Oh, cannot also this one. I think we go in casino better. Okay, Genting Malaysia. Previously, actually, okay, for me, last week, I'm still bullish on them because they are still above 235, still above 228. Okay, last week, Thursday, still alright, but until Friday, not good already. Okay, Friday, open gap down. So this is a risk we need to take lah when we are playing around at the 200 MAs level. Okay, 200 MAs level, the resistance not able to turn into support, they will turn into a strong resistance. Okay, so become a open gap down, close low. Okay, a very strong bearish price action. Okay, even today with a bear as well. Okay, one thing good on the bright side is, okay, the selling pressure is easing off. Okay, just that the bull yet to come back. Okay, the bull yet to come back. Okay, let's zoom out and see when was this support lah. This is a support back in 2021. Okay, after COVID recovery lah. But I think they already broken down below 195. Today closing 190. Okay, based on here, they might come back down to few. Okay, worst case scenario, huh? If the bear continue, they might come back down to the 2020 November gap. Okay, which is somewhere around 175. Okay, if we look back, COVID time, okay, 2020 March, COVID time, the price is around 144. Okay, so yeah, take note on this few level as your immediate support lah. 175, 144. Okay, so at the moment, bear is still in control. Okay, so for the safe bet, wait for them to form a base first lah. Capital A. Okay, Capital A also tak berapa cantik, okay, because they already broke down 200 MAs, resisted by 200 MAs. What happened today? Today open gap down, press down, by end of day, close high. Okay, so they form a so-called hammer like candle lah. Okay, due to they have a gap here. Okay, so with a hammer high volume, I think they do have potential to fill the gap. Okay, somewhere around 865 lah. But the risk is still there because you are against the trend. Okay, this is a Capital A. How about the CIMB? Oh, yo. Okay lah, come back lah. Okay, CIMB. They are still within the range. Okay, one thing a little bit dangerous is this counter has been out for so many years. Since 2020, end of 2020, uptrend until today. Okay, one thing my little concern is they have been in this zone for quite many months lah, since last year September until now. Okay, they has been in this zone. Okay, they are not able to go up and they are not able to go down. Okay, so pending for the breakdown. If the breakdown is true, okay, this is very dangerous for CMB lah. So I will say 10 on 770. This level cannot break. Okay, cannot break. Once break, they do have potential to change into downtrend. Okay, and also 770 is a 200 MAs. So take note. So what happened last Friday? The selling pressure is quite strong last Friday. A strong sell, high volume. Okay, but lucky thing today open gap up sikit, close high. Okay, this form. Okay, these two candle if combined, they are become a bullish harami lah. Okay, bullish harami. But if you don't understand, maybe you can draw like that lah. They become a so-called hammer like candle lah. So hopefully next few days they can remain above 770, 785 lah. This zone stay above. I think they do have potential to continue their sideways movement. Okay, since you can see since last year September, here support, here resistance, here support, here support again, resistance, here support, here resistance, now here support. Okay, maybe they will stabilize here and go up to retest the support, or they are now more on the sideways movement. But if they go below 770, we need to review again. Maybe something not right already. Okay, hello Gary, good evening. Hello Bill Hong. Okay, review SCG. Okay, SCG, okay, for me, if want me to review, I would say they are short term not so strong already. But big trend point of view, long term point of view, they are still very strong lah. Okay, because they are still above 200 MAs. So short term wise, they have some maybe retracement or correction. Okay, as you can see, the high is getting lower. Okay, price below 116, price below 2050 MA. So this also indicate that short term not so strong lah. Okay, so based on here, I think they might come back down to test a 106 and 1 ringgit zone. Okay, but you can see the high is getting lower. Means the second time when they push out, nobody willing to buy at 133 and above. That's why they gonna retrace down. Okay, so the buyer may be weak already. Okay, this could be just like here lah. Last year, right? Okay, they have a push up, then not able to go up, then market need to wash some time. Okay, now also macam the same lah. Go up, no strength already, so they need to go sideways. Okay, go out and out, rest a while. Okay, rest and rehat. Okay, rehat a while. Then so long above 1 ringgit, I would say they are still alright. Okay, just that I am seeing they might go sideways for some time lah. Okay, MACD point of view, yeah, they are also indicate the bear also in control. Okay, but I would say at the moment, they are small bear first. Okay, it's a short-term bearish. Okay, so above 1 ringgit, I will still remain the same view. But if they break below 1 ringgit, we need to review again. Maybe not so good already. Okay, how about Ying Sen? Okay, Ying Sen make a comeback. Okay, as we zoom out, we can see so far, 222 and 225 was their good resistance and was their good support. Okay, recently they do break down lah. Okay, and Wednesday onwards, actually they recover it lah. Okay, last Thursday also recovered. Okay, recover above 225. Okay, so far even though volume okay only, but at least they try to make the price close nicer lah. Okay, so long above 222, I'm still alright, and they might come up to 245 like that. Okay, so tentatively we trade it as a rebound first. Okay, rebound maybe to 245 or 250 level. Okay, how about the next one? Coraza. Okay, not Godzilla. Okay, Coraza. A long time no see. Actually, I sudah cabut all when the price around 60 cents, if not mistaken. Okay, so what happened? Friday volume, today low volume, sell down, but still alright. Okay, most importantly, maybe I'll put 50 cents. Okay, let me delete all the lines lah. Okay. For this case, Coraza, not so strong. Okay, short term not so strong. But maybe take note on this level lah. 485, 475. Okay, take note this level. Okay, now they are below 2050 MA and 20 cross below 50 also indicate short term not so strong already lah. Okay, so now their last defense is here. 485, 475. Okay, if they can come down and get supported, still okay lah, still ada hope sikit lah. Tapi if they straight break below 475, memang tak cantik lah. You can see they do have a gap here. They do have potential to come back down to fill the gap. Okay, 425 or 354 also possible because back in November they have a gap up and push all the way up. So take note, this is a gap support. Okay, and yeah, so long they are above 475, I would say still ada chance lah. But below then tak berapa cantik already. YTL power. Okay, no big movement, but also need to be careful lah. Huh? As I mentioned before, they already below 200 MAs. Previously, they tried 200 MAs, not able to stay above. So for me, overall, is a bear is stronger than the bull lah. Okay, so now back to the 3 ringgit mark as our support zone. For me, the overall structure is bear in control lah. Okay, so now I draw a support zone for you lah. Huh? 288, 3 ringgit, their last defense already. Okay, once they clear this level, break below this level, they will have more room to drop. Okay, probably to 250 or even 2 ringgit also possible. So take note this level, and yeah, if you want, just do some rebound trade like that. Cut loss if they go below 2880, and the success rate will be lower lah. Honestly, the bear is very strong. Okay, the bear is still in control. Okay, Genting also very disappointing. Okay, they has been in this sideways zone for a couple of months already. Okay, but Friday open gap down, close low. Also is a high seller. Okay, and today neutral lah. Today neutral. So for me, overall not really in a good shape as they already broke below 355. Okay, where is the next support? Possible support. 3 ringgit would be the next possible support because it's a psychology level. And they do have a gap up here lah. Okay, end of 2020. 268 to 296. Okay, 268, 296 is a gap. Okay, also possible to visit here lah. Okay, for me, Genting at the moment no longer that good. Okay, last week still looking okay punya, tapi Friday no good already lah. So for me, we need to wait for some signal lah. Okay, otherwise they may go down all the way to 3 ringgit or even lower. Okay, we need a strong comeback. Okay, we need a strong comeback price action. Okay, how about DNO? Also tak boleh Friday also open gap down, close low, high volume. Okay, so today lucky thing they are no longer selling. Okay, they are trying to defend here. Okay, this also you can say is a so-called bullish harami lah. Okay, despite Friday have a strong sell, but today they do have some buyer make a comeback. But this could be just a short term. Okay, just to come up to fill the gap. Okay, 140 lah. So tenor on the Friday is low, somewhere around 115. Okay, above 115, maybe got some short-term rebound opportunity to 140. That means if they close below 115, means they already give out to defense lah. They may go to 1 ringgit level. But overall, you can see this DNO ever since they are below 200 MAs, sell is more than buy. Okay, sell is more than buy. So despite you can see previously they have a very strong price action, but the seller continue come out. You can see the white one is lesser than the black one lah. Okay, if you know go casino, you also know which color you want to bet already, right? You must bet on the black color than white color, right? They give you a better opportunity or probability, right? So here you also can see black more than the white candle. So yeah, even they got white color also few days only, then continue sell down. Overall, it's still very weak. Okay, so how about the EcoVest? EcoVest also susah lah. Okay, EcoVest we already give out discounters when they broke below 435. Okay, when they broke below 435, already tak cantik lah. Then they do sideways around here lah, 350 for 40 cents, but below 200 MAs that time. Tak cantik also. 350 also give out already. Okay, also break down. Now 30 cents which is back in 2022 punya support lah, also break down already. Okay, now closing 290. So EcoVest no EP first lah. Okay, even yeah, maybe they were due to oversold, then market go up. Okay, but continue sell down. Okay, so now maybe due to oversold. Okay, short term wise, maybe very day trade or contra trade, or maybe they do have some opportunity to do a bounce up trade lah. But this also the same lah. You can see the black candle, or we can say the red candle is more than the white candle. Okay, so not so advisable to do anything until we see something lah. Okay, even you can see the bullish punya volume is not really follow through. So now seller is still in control lah. Okay, sorry no EP yet this one. Okay, P transit. Okay, this counters for me is more on not very real chart thing lah. Okay, for me is not very real punya drawing. Okay, but so far they are still going up. Okay, just recently they have some sell down. Okay, so for this case I want you to take note 710 and 70 cents as your support zone. Okay, and speaking about the resistance, I think previously 760, 80 cents. I think I didn't mention before lah. Okay, but my idea was 825, 840, but they didn't reach this level. Sudah kena rejected down. So at the moment, take note on 70 cents and 710. Stay above. Maybe still ada chance to go up to test your 760. So now I changed my resistance to 760 to 80 cents. Okay, 760, 80 cents. Okay, R1, R2. Okay, DNO we covered already. We go for the Genetech. Genetech also habis lah at the moment. Okay, sorry to say that. Okay, previously we also mentioned before, they also sideways here, jalan up. 200 MAs, okay, somewhere around 150 is a level that no matter how, you also need to take partial profit. Okay, you need to take partial profit. Okay, so you can see this already proven that they not really able to go through 150. Recently, break 133, 129. Okay, so once they break down, what happened? You can see they sell down, bounce up, sell down, bounce up, kena resistant. Okay, kena resistant by 129, 133 and continue sell down. Okay, even though today not much volume lah, but you can see overall structure is still weak. Okay, so I haven't seen any chance for them to make a comeback yet. And I am seeing maybe they might come back down to somewhere around 115, maybe 115. If not able to clear, not able to support it, they might go to 1 ringgit level. Okay, so bear is still stronger than the bull. Okay, econ pie. Okay, this one, these counters August onwards they already weak lah, because they already below or resisted by 200 MAs. And worst case they already break below 380. Okay, for me is no good. Okay. So recently come back down here lah, 315. They get some support over here. So let's zoom in and see what happened. Okay, on Wednesday, 26th of February, they have a sell down. Okay, break down 315 lah. But on the next day, they have make a comeback. Okay, market open, gap up and close high. Okay, this become a so-called, I think we can say this is a bullish piercing lah. Okay, it's a kind of a reversal signal. Okay, at least we can see when they come up okay, the volume is higher. Okay, so for me, okay, maybe they are trying to defend 315. So you can see Friday and even today they are trying to defend 315. Okay, so I think short term wise, maybe they do have some rebound opportunity. Okay, due to this indication now. Okay, so take note on, because here was a support, turn resistant 380, 390. Take note here as your resistance. Okay, and overall is weak lah. Okay, overall is weak, but rebound maybe yes. Okay, Netgate big story right today. Okay, I haven't really read the what I say I haven't really read the true all story, and the story not really clear yet, but so far is what I know is not very favorable to these counters, and you can see today price session is very bad. Okay, before today actually you can see I already have some signal to ask you be careful already lah. Okay, here first time when they break 200 MAs. Second time, okay, they're not able to stay above 200 MA. Third time, actually on Friday, they also got signal already. Okay, Friday you can see they also rejected by here. Not able to clear 203 and break below 192. Okay, resisted by 203, resisted by 192. Okay, so all these already tell us that hey, these counters not so good already because they are already below 200 MAs. Okay, today with the news you can see consider limit down, right? So they have very strong sell. Okay, so let's see, they already broke below this crucial support. Okay, this is support back in August 2024. Okay, last year if you remember is August, market have a crash, right? Crash down, but they do supported. Okay, after that they from 170 pump all the way up to 3 ringgit. Okay, this one also got recently they got tried to defend 170, but today no. Okay, today they broke below 170. So you can see this is a strong support turn into a strong resistance. 170 would be your resistance. And if you base on the price action back in January until now, you can see the sell is strong. Okay, when they sell very strong. When they bounce, no strength. When they sell very strong. Bounce, no strength. Sell very strong. So you can see they are dumping the stocks very, very strongly. Okay, based on what I see here lah. Okay, so unless they come back with good news or they have a strong bullish candle with high volumes, then maybe we can say they do have potential to bounce up. Okay, so this at the moment the sentiment is played by the news lah. We still don't know whether by tomorrow morning or tonight they will come out with good or bad news. Okay, if no news at all, maybe market may continue to sell down. Okay, and the good news have to be good enough to cover the bad news lah, right? So yeah, now based on the chart, I would say they do have potential to continue sell down, maybe to 108 or 1 ringgit also possible. Okay, still very weak, and I prefer wait for the 1 day bullish candle or maybe hammer or bullish candle, then only plan for entry lah. That would be a safer bet lah. Okay, so how about the HS Plantation? Okay, this one is still fine lah. Okay, not too bad. I would say overall not too bad. Okay, recently recovered back above 2050 100 MAs, recovered back above 2 ringgit, so still alright. Take note on 206 as your immediate resistance. And today closing 204, right? If happen, they can come back down to ringgit like that or KIV, no? Or seems like Plantation okay. Today got 2 counters, up to 2 counters is under Plantation related one. Let me see on the CPO price. Not really jalan, but at least they stabilize lah. Okay, still okay lah. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, MMAG. Okay, these counters a little bit difficult to analyze due to the previous trend. There was a very penny stocks until they do a consolidation. Okay, after consolidation, you can see the chart also macam not so organic, I can say. Organic or should be lah. Okay, a little bit controlled lah. Okay, I would say more on control by maybe single party or something like that. But overall, you can see they are still going up lah. Okay, still going up. And recently they've faced a resistance at 530. And yeah, I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, based on the chart wise. And yeah, more on sideways and still okay. And so long they're above 455 should be okay lah. Okay, XOX also is a famous scoring stocks. Okay, 580, I think previously using the Fibonacci to do a projection. So this would be the level that at least need to take partial profit lah. 580. So far so good lah, but today more on profit taking activities. So maybe they might retrace down to 550 cents and sideways, something like that. Okay, how about the Sendai? Sendai no good lah. Sendai already broke 200 MAs, already broke below 50 cents. Okay, and you can see, black candle is more than white candle. Okay, not able. They already broke below 50 cents lah. So now I think the bear is in control. Okay, so they might come back down to maybe 460 or 415 like that. Okay, so not in a good shape lah. Okay, not in a good shape. Capital A we covered already. Net gate at one of the support. What is the next good support? Okay. Just now we covered, but we haven't seen where is the good support. Okay, now actually they are at one of the support, which is a 130 level. Okay, one of the support. This is a support back in 2023, November, 2024 February, 2024 March. Okay, 130. And the next support, I would say if they broke below lah, 112, 110 can 109 like that lah. Okay, on average, I think I will put at 110 lah. Okay, once if 130 unable to hold, next level 110. 1 ringgit also possible lah. Okay, 1 ringgit. Okay, 1 ringgit. And the IPO first day opening price is about 80 cents. Okay, 795 lah. Okay, 795. So for me, yeah, I have no clue yet. Okay, because this sell down is quite irrational lah, in my opinion. It's very irrational, and people just dump only. Okay, so I would prefer wait for the price to stabilize. Okay, maybe they realize, okay, not so bad, or they want to go sideways. We only plan lah. Okay. Maybe we couldn't get at the very lowest price, but at least we can get at the safer price. Okay. Okay, how about the YTL? Okay, just now we covered YTL power already, so we go for YTL only. Okay, YTL the same, also below 200 MAs, and take note on 175, 185 as your last defense. Okay, these two counters YTL power also same story. They already turned into downtrend. Okay, so this is a beginning. Actually, I think I would say it's a more on second stage of downtrend already lah. Okay, so still not so attractive if we base on the technical point of view. Not very good level to do anything yet. Okay, maybe you are investor lah, cheap buy. I don't know lah. For me, not really convinced me. Okay, how about the 99 speed mark? Okay, 99 speed mark, for me the game is over. Okay, the game is over when they break below 240. Okay, now during IPO first day, every retailers love to buy. Okay, so they have been up for about about 3 months lah, 2 to 3 months lah. Okay, after that you can see they already broke 20 MA, broke 50 MA. Okay, sell down. Okay, they bounce up again from here, but you can see when they bounce up, no strength, continue come down, and they broke below 215, 218. Okay, so now they bounce from 2 ringgit, but you can see they get resisted by 215. So overall, 99 mark is not that strong. Okay, you can see the high is getting lower as well. Right? So they are still in a downtrending. So what we can do is wait only lah. Okay, for me, I prefer wait for them to go sideways. Okay, stabilize first. Then only at least they go sideways lah. Only plan for entry lah. Okay, otherwise we don't know how low they can go. Okay, maybe they might go to 188 also, or 99 cents also possible. Okay, so wait for them to stabilize lah. Okay, MNRB also no good. Okay, MNRB already broke 200 MAs, broke 208, broke 2 ringgit. Okay, so overall, okay, even though today and Friday candle looks like a little bit like some support at 195 lah. Maybe due to oversold, they have a short-term rebound, but overall not so good yet. Okay, not so good yet. And yeah, MACD also not so favorable lah. And also here you can see 20 MA. Okay, 20 MA, 50 MA, 200 MA already crossing below 200 MAs. Okay, they are starting to turn weak. Okay, if we zoom out, what we can see. Okay, since 2023, February until now, is the first time they are crossing over. Okay, before that you can see they are quite strong. So far, even they also cross a bit only lah, but still okay. But now you can see they are all sticking around here, and looks like they are no longer that strong. Okay, when the MA they open macam ini this indicate the trend is very strong. But when they all mix together means they are more on sideways or turning weak or going to turn. Okay, so now they already turning lah. So for me, so no good. Okay, hibiscus. Yeah, as mentioned before, no good, right? So you can see last Thursday they do bounce up lah, 20 MA only. Okay, Friday a strong sell. Today neutral lah, no nothing much. So if you notice the worldwide crude oil price lah, okay, WTI or Brent crude oil also can they are still very weak. So this, okay, as long as the oil price is weak I think very, very difficult to give them go up. Okay, very, very difficult. They have a better sentiment. Okay, so you need a oil price go up, then hibiscus only can have the sentiment. Okay, otherwise, I think no reason for them to push up lah. Northern Solar. Okay. Wow, this one you can see nothing much lah. Oh, this one kena scam First day open. First day sudah wash everyone out already Okay, I don't know the IPO price how much lah, but maybe here don't know. Okay, but the first day, whoever bought on the first day lah all lose money. Then stabilize, continue sell down. Okay, so at the moment you can see they are selling from 80 or 90 cents until 50 cents already. I still haven't seen they started to go sideways or slow down. Okay, for this one, stay away first until they started to go sideways. Okay, I need to see them, at least they stabilize, they try to find a price that they feel comfortable to go sideways. Otherwise, no point for us to buy or jump in lah. Okay, Grove big four let's see any chances lah susah at the moment. Very disappointing they break below 200 MAs. Okay, supposedly they made a very good trend already now continue sell down. Okay, for Top Glove take note on the support 880. We see any support there lah and Hata, okay, come back to fill the gap. They already come back 235 to fill the gap today to 227. Okay, also very disappointed with how they sell down. Okay, and I still haven't seen any opportunity yet lah. Okay, haven't seen any opportunity yet. Okay, they could go as low as maybe 210. Okay, Corsan, okay, now also at the support 178, 170. So let me see Supermax. Supermax already broke support they broke 790. Okay, and the next support could be 70 cents. Okay, so let me see okay, what I can conclude is at the moment these four counters, they are near or approaching the support. Okay, and let them stabilize first lah. We see any chance. Okay, even this is what I can say first lah at the moment. But yeah, worth to monitor. Still worth to monitor lah. Okay, since they are approaching or at the support already. Okay, so Affin make a comeback. Okay, at least 275 is supported. Make a comeback. and close above 285. Today closing 286. Okay, so these are fin. If you're interested, you can take note. Recent maybe 285 280 lah, with your cut loss below 275. Okay, this one I think still okay. At least they make a comeback lah. Okay, they are not like last week below 200 MAs. SDG let me see what counters SDG. Okay, the trend is still alright lah. Okay, movement is slow, but trend is still okay. Okay, ideal support I would say is at around 480 like that. Okay, ideal support around 480, 465 cannot lah. 468. Okay, 468, 480 would be your S1, S2. Okay, cloud point. Okay, support lah. Susah a bit lah. Okay, here is a support 830, 840. But one thing a little bit concerned is you can see last time when they sell down, okay, they do bounce up, but not able to clear above 890. Okay, 890 was a support, right? Now turn into resistance. So you can see when they bounce up, no strength, they come back down. So they might come down back to the 200 MAs level, or they come back to fill the gap because they have a gap up. Okay, they might come back to fill the gap 840, 830 like that. Okay, any concern? A little bit topish low. If we zoom out, you can see they tested twice already, not able to clear 104. So this level, if not able to clear, not able to support, it's a 200 MAs. If not able to support, they might come back down to this zone. Okay, 7 something 750 like that. Let me see, 750, 690. Okay, so let me draw nicer so I can remember. Okay, if this level not able to hold, maybe they might come back down to 690 or 750. Okay, if they fear to stay above 830, this counter also could turn into downtrend. Okay. Okay, MSM. Okay, Gula. Okay. So last week my comment was still alright. Okay, because Wednesday they made a comeback, but they not able to clear 143. You can see they tested 2 times already, not able to clear. So I would say MSM still okay, just that they not really making a move lah. Okay, still in a sideway, I would say. Okay, how about the Mr. DIY? Okay, Encik buat sendiri. Wah, already buat sendiri this one. Okay, this Encik also lah. Okay, this one if you remember, actually for me I would say they are quite same with the Smart 99 lah, right? Also got shop like that, and everyone know them. Okay, but this one at least they have a uptrend for a couple of months, okay, before they turn downtrend. Okay, and you see the downtrend is lasting for quite many years. 2022, 2023, 2024. Okay, 2024 only make some comeback. Okay, and you also cannot blame is a MCO, right? Because this is a 2021, 2022 things. Okay, 2022 already open already, no longer that MCO already, right? So 2023 as well. So you can see they can downtrend for so many years and go up again. So you can see, okay, some IPO counters, they could do something similar like this. Okay, let's see this Encik. Okay, this Encik actually the warning is back in last year November, December lah, when they broke below 200 MAs. Okay, you can see they keep on resisted by 200 MAs, and the final warning 177 sudah broke down. So you can see recently they sell down, bounce up, and sell down. Okay, and the selling pressure is there. Okay, on the bright side is today ada some support lah at 140 like that. Okay, so this one I would say they are still very weak. Okay, but no doubt 136 is a support. Okay, back in 2023 August, 2024 February, they do supported here lah 136, and the lowest was 133. So take note here as your last defense zone. Okay, so how about the Muhiba? Okay, Muhiba also the same lah. They already broke below 200 MAs. Okay, recently back in 26 February, they do have volume bounce up, but today they got resisted at 70 cents. So this one also due to oversold, rebound, but resisted. Okay, Lei Hong. Lei Hong, okay, Lei Hong, 330, 340, your last defense lah. Okay, cannot break lah. Okay, indicate around auto alliance. Okay, let me copy paste here. Ini weak, ini already broke 200 MAs. But if you are looking for support resistance, support 1800, 1710, resistance 1888, 1950, 20 ringgit. Okay, so you follow the line here lah. Okay, the purple one. MFCB, Mega First. This also no good. They already below 200 MAs. Okay, currently they are below all moving averages. So in my opinion, it's not really a good shape. Okay, take note 410 would be your immediate support. If they fail to hold, they may go to 390, 383. Okay, and for the resistance 425, 430. Also not really in a good shape lah. Okay, how about Armada? Okay, Armada, surprisingly, the performance still boleh tahan. At least they try to support the 200 MAs lah. So maybe we can use 545, 565 would be your support zone. Resistance 620 and 620 and 685, 715. Okay, this would be your resistance. Hello Patrick, good evening. Okay, KLSE, still no sign of signal for rebound. Yeah, no yet. Okay, Genting, DNO, we covered already. Yeah, we also overtime today. Yeah, good lah. At least market no good. We still got people interested with our Bursa market. Okay, HLFG, Hong Leong Finance Group. So far so good. As long as they are above 18 ringgit, still alright. So if you don't mind current price, 1836 and 1800 is nearby, then you can take note lah. Okay, in between I think it's still okay. Okay, Petronas Dagangan. Kena press down. No strength. Okay, currently they are at one of the support lah. 1860, 1860. And if they fail to hold, they may go to 1770, 1700. Okay. So now is at support one and also is a 200 MAs. Okay, next one, Timecom. Oh, Timecom wholesale. EP cannot lah. Okay, Timecom, if I remember correctly, last time, how to say, we do review and we do mention this level 465, 455. Okay, would be our first support. Okay, if they break down, then we can wait at 420 as our second entry or second support lah. Okay, but now the price already at resistance already. Okay, 520 already. So if we jump in now, I think not so wise lah. Buy at the resistance. So you need to wait ready lah. Maybe wait for the price to retest, maybe 5 ringgit or somewhere around there. Only plan and see. Okay. So MMAG we covered already. MMAG. So we go for the TM Telecom. TM is still alright lah. Okay, still above 200 MAs. So 677 today closing price still okay, not too bad. If you more the good, you can take note and 660 or 655. Okay, Inari Inari 208 would be your immediate support. Okay, which was supported back in 2023. May. Okay, 208 is your immediate support. If they fail to hold, next level could be 175. Okay, now at one of the support, and overall they are still bearish lah, huh? Still very bearish ah. So depending on you want buy all the way down, or you wait for them stabilize and go up, and you buy all the way up. Okay, depending on you lah. Okay, and also depending on how confident with you for you with the company. Okay, at Genta. Okay, yeah, previously they break below 200 MAs, already ugly lah, no longer good looking. But what we can see on Thursday, they open gap up, they go back above 200 MAs. Okay, 760, and today they push up to 80 cents. So for this case, I will say okay, maybe still ada chance as long as they are above 760. Okay, as long as above 760. Okay, Armada we covered. Armada we covered. D-Sonic. Okay. D-Sonic. Change name. Why I cannot find it? Weird, the okay, let me use this one. D-Sonic. Hey, I couldn't find the mother shell, only the sun only. What happened with the D-Sonic? Okay. Okay, this one we skip first. I couldn't find this one. Okay, then yeah, I also don't know what happened to them lah. Okay, JPG, JPEG. Oh, sorry. JPEG. Oh, sorry. It's JPG. Okay. JPG unable to go through 1 to 5. Okay, at the moment I would say they are more on sideway lah. Okay, JPG more on sideway, and so long above 115, acceptable. Okay, still acceptable. Okay, momentum all still ada little chance lah, so long they are above 115. Okay, AWC. Let me find. Sometimes the name is too sama already. Okay, AWC already broke below 1 ringgit, broke below 985. No good lah. Okay, no good lah. So the next support zone, maybe I would say somewhere around 835 already. Okay, tak berapa cantik lah. Cantik also lah. Okay. Enfra. Okay, Enfra also not strong. Okay, very weak. Okay, Enfra. Now they are at their last defense, 495. Okay, and I didn't see any buying interest or anything yet lah. So Enfra. Oh, okay. D-Sonic rename. Okay, thank you. I seldom read the news or follow up this one. Okay, later I covered. Ewin. Why D-Sonic the name nice ma? Ayo. or the name already busuk. Ewin already below 200 MAs. For me, the support turn resistant. So take note 260, 270 would be their resistant. Okay, and the support 245, but I would say they are still very weak. Okay, even turn weak already. Previously okay lah, now tak berapa cantik already. So the support 245 lah. If they break down, tak cantik. Okay, so next one is NEXG. Okay. Rename to NE. Okay, the chart also different already. Like that we cannot refer leh. Nowadays people change chart like that this one can. Okay, I think due to the trading view Trading view they didn't change the name. Okay, but for chart answer still okay. At least we can see a clearer picture. Okay, but unfortunately now I only have 3 years data. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, the most what we can see is let me think. Sell down. Okay, they do have potential to rebound lah. Okay, let me turn back to here lah. Okay. Ay, a bit susah. Kena handicap already. Not really can see anything. Okay, so what we can see is recently they do have a sell down, right? So you can see the volume increase when the price at here. Okay, so I think the sell down started to slow down. Okay, and if you're looking for potential rebound, yeah, of course you can with your cut loss below 235 lah. Okay, if they can slow down and don't close below 235, should be alright. Okay, don't close below 235, should be alright. But just a rebound only, maybe rebound to 280 or maybe 30 cents like that, then need to jump already. Okay, just a short term trade, okay, but I don't think they can go up too much at the moment. Okay, how about Pekat? Okay, Pekat is still alright lah, Pekat. If you already in, congratulations, no problem. So long above 118, breakout is still valid. Okay, breakout is still valid and turn on your next resistance 130. Salute salute pun goreng-goreng punya. Game over already lah. Tak payah tengok lah this one. This one pump out only stay above 200 MA few days, kena whack down already. So you can see they have a sell down, support one day and continue sell down. Okay, this one no game lah. Actually no need to don't waste time yet lah. Okay, don't waste time on them. Okay, last one already AGX. AGX is still alright lah. Not too bad. Okay, not too bad, not too good, normal, neutral. Okay, at least the price is above 200 MAs. Now it's above all moving averages. Above 50 cents no problem lah, discounters. Okay, above 50 cents, no problem. Okay, beta, last one already beta still okay lah, beta. Okay, so long above so long above 415, which is above 200 MAs, still okay. Okay, break below 415, they may come back down to fill the gap. Okay, because they have a gap here. Break below 415, they may go to 395. Okay, maybe go down to fill the gap. But if they break below 415, also means these counters break below 200 MAs already. Tak berapa cantik lah. Okay, so yeah, thank you everyone for your time to tune in our live session. Okay, so if can, just click a like and share this video lah, so we can get more viewers to tune in. So thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And if you yet to follow my channel, which is a Telegram channel, you may screenshot this QR code or use it, just scan and join in lah. Okay, so anything I will try to update over there. So that's all for tonight, and we will see you on coming Wednesday. Okay, coming Wednesday 8:30 until 9:30 only lah. Today overrun sikit, and thank you everyone for tuning in until late night. Okay, so thank you everyone and see you on Wednesday 8:30. Thank you.